In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and follow Canva creators you'll love. This process will help you discover and connect with talented designers, ensuring your projects always have that unique flair. Whether you're looking for inspiration or seeking out specific design styles, following the right creators can enrich your Canva experience significantly. So, let's dive right into it. First, start by opening up Canva and head straight over to the Templates tab. This is your gateway to a world of endless creative possibilities. Canva offers a plethora of templates that suit every type of project, from social media posts to business presentations, and even personal planners. Clicking on templates will display all these options right before your eyes. Once you're in the templates section, it's time to do a bit of exploring. There's no rush. Take your time browsing through the variety of templates available. Look for designs that catch your eye or align with the style you envision for your project. As you browse, let yourself be guided by creativity. Find what speaks to you or stands out, setting apart from the rest. When you come across a template that captures your interest, click on it to see more details. At this point, you'll be directed to a page where you can view the template in detail, and alongside it you will see the creator's name prominently displayed. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on the creator's name will take you to their profile. Exploring a designer's profile gives you insight into their style and other works, a great way to identify creators whose vision matches yours. Now that we're on the profile, you might notice a follow button. This is your next click. By following the creator, you'll keep their work at your fingertips. Their designs and updates will appear in your feed, allowing you to stay updated with their latest creations. It's a fantastic way to continually fill your design space with inspiring work and keep the creative juices flowing. Remember, following creators isn't just about adding to your feed. It's about building a connection and growing within your community of design enthusiasts. By doing so, you contribute to a vibrant ecosystem of creativity where sharing, learning, and inspiration go hand in hand. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective way to find and follow Canva creators you'll love. Give it a try and watch as your design capabilities expand with the creative influences you bring into your world. Building these connections and following the right people can truly make a world of difference in your Canva journey. Happy designing, and until next time, keep exploring and let your creativity shine.